Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging, which means we have a review. Let's see who this is from. This is a pretty thick package, so we gotta cut out some edges and then pull. Alright, well this is a big bag. And this is from OneDaySaving. And this is part 1 of 2 parts. Next part will be next Monday. So, give me a sec here. And we will get started here. Oh my goodness. Alright. Hang on. Okay, the first one that I have are these, it says Hedgehog Chefs. Aren't they cute? From Joy Sunday, or Wannabe Joy Sunday. Comes in a lovely Joy Sunday bag. Anyway, let's take a look at this one. Get it turned around. It is 17 by 20. It is a 14 count. So you just have 1-page instructions here. And it has 20 colors. But everything's all on 1 page. Aren't they cute? I just thought they were whimsical. And it comes with 2 needles. Hang on. And being 14 count, there's not a lot of thread. Get them all, shook them down. Maybe. Baby. Alright. Isn't that beautiful? Got light blues, and you got some dark orange, darker orange, and some, I guess that's like a red orange and a red. Then you have a little bit of 310, that's going to be all your back stitching. And I don't know if that's, hang on. Yeah, this is Beach 5200, which is your white for little places here and there. So yeah, just some really pretty, bright, cheery colors. I just thought it was whimsical. Really? Now she's gonna start, right? Molly! Right. Let's look at the canvas. Now, this is another one of the Joy Sundays that the back stitching is going to make the picture. As you can see, it's pretty bland looking, but once you get all the back stitching in, it'll be great. And this part is real easy to read. Nice clear symbols, and they're clear on the canvas. It is serged all the way around. It has back stitching and a few French knots, like for their noses. And 1 color of back stitch, which is 310. So yeah, let's see how big this is. It's supposed to be 17 by 20. Well, we'll see how far that goes. Okay, it is 19.5 by 17.5. Actual picture size is, oh, really close to 6 inches, or 15 centimeters by 5. So it's a little bit taller than it is wider. So yeah, I just thought it was whimsical. I really did. I thought it was cute. And this one was $3.88, so not too big of a price. And as usual, the lovely threads and the nice printing. Everything's all done in dark printing. Very good. Very good. Now the next one is a little bit bigger than that. Let's see. And it was $11.77. Gotta get it out of its baggie. Let's flip it over. It is a bear in the woods. I'll put a picture here. Alright, and that way you get to see it. It does have the product number at the top, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Nice big printed paper, which is lovely. I'm glad they're starting to make these bigger. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're gonna have some 310 black in this puppy. Yeah, all that yellow is 310 black. But the rest of it doesn't look too bad. It does look a bit confettied here and there. Especially when you get up into the trees and the snow on the ground with the green coming up after it. This has 38 colors. It does have the colors, DMC number, the symbols, and the number on the thread card. All of this matches your canvas, so that's very good. I like that. It has 310 black, like I mentioned. It has no 823, no 939, no 3371. Nope. And the white is 3865. Very nice. And I'm glad it's very easy to read, so that helps. Let's take a look at the colors here. It does come with a little kit with a little deer on it. Has a green poof ball, 5 needles. Nope, actually there, nope, wait a minute. Really? There are 6 needles in there. And a thimble and a needle threader. Let's take a look and see what the colors look like. Of course, right off the bat, I see 2 full hanks of 310 black. Let me unfold this. Oops. I dropped it. Hang on. Well, if I could just hang on to it, we'd have it made. So it has like a mocha color. And there is your 3865 for the snow. Does not have a sticker on it, you know, giving you the same number, the product number. So you got some blues, you got some pink, you got some little bit darker pink. It's kind of a gray pink, if you will. Some seafoam green, and look at that blue. Just beautiful. And gold. More greens and grays and the browns, because there's a house in the background. And some pale shell pink. And some, oh, I think that's 154. Yep. 154 purple. It's kind of a reddish purple. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors. Thought I'd make a nice winter project. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. We're going to put them right in the middle of that so everything doesn't get lost. Now this kit, lay that down, it's going to crunch. We got some tails over here we just got to get rid of. Alright. It is serged all the way around, is what I started to say. And the pattern, the paper pattern matches this. Does have the product number up here, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It does not show the color legend down the side, but it does have DMC numbers. And it has the symbols and the number on the thread card. The threading. The stitching does not go, almost doesn't go into the numbers. Just barely at the bottom, but it's not a big deal. As long as I can see the symbol, I know where I'm going. And there's that confetti I was talking about up here, like where the trees are. Your house is down in here. Somewhere-ish. I think there's a moon there. Is there a moon? Yep, this is the moon part. Then you have trees, and then your bear is right in here. You can tell where he's at. Very lovely. But yeah, there is some confetti, like bink, bink, bink. You know, especially where your trees are, you know, and they're changing colors. That's where you get the problem. But the bear, for the most part, is all that right there. So, very nice. Let's see how big it is. It's supposed to be 40 by 55, if I could just get onto it. So, 53 by 40. Actual picture size is 47 centimeters, maybe a tad over, and a little bit over 18 and a half. And 34, which is, oh goodness, it's a little over 3/4. It's really close. Sorry, not 3/4, a quarter. 13 and a half almost. So yeah, couldn't think what I wanted to say, but very nicely printed, very easy to read symbols. That's what I love about these things, you know. But you're gonna have to settle in for a little bit on that 310, because there's a bit of it, just a bit of it. Now somebody was asking me about these lines. You just stitch like you're supposed to, and this will be full coverage. And when you are done, you put this in lukewarm water and just a teeny bit of soap, teeny, like a drop of soap, and let it sit there and soak. Kind of agitate it a little bit and let it sit. Clear your water out, and do that until all this printing is going to go away. Wherever it is printed, it'll just be a solid piece of white fabric going around the whole thing, of course, on this one. But wherever the printing is, it'll go away when you soak it in lukewarm water. But I wanted to address that because somebody had asked me that, and it's easier to tell you. So yeah, that's what I love about these. And I've seen several people do this, you know, where they put it in the lukewarm water and get the printing off. It comes right off. And that is why, another reason why they say do not drink around this or spill water on it, because this dye, like that, it'll be gone. Because it's so, I don't know what you call, water soluble, if you will. So, yeah. But lovely, lovely. Nice printing. Trying to keep it, there you go. Steady. But yes, just lovely. And like I said, it was only $11.77. So under $15, you can have a decent sized picture to work on. I really like that. Now, OneDaySaving has pre-stamped and counted cross stitch. They have diamond painting, paint by number, and custom. They also have some paper quilling and a few of the beaded cross stitch, but they're in the little keychain things. They have diamond painting and cross stitch tools and crafts. And I don't know, I don't think they keep their holiday section up all the time, but hey, Sometimes they do. Some stores do. You know, it'll say holiday. So you can get Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever, you know, your holiday is year round. And they do custom on paint by number, cross stitch, and diamond painting. And they have free shipping on orders over $50. If that is different, I will put it in the description below. And sometimes they have like buy two get one free type things, so do check them out. They have a lovely site and they always have really good deals. If you like this video, please thank you, before I forget, OneDaySaving for sending me these beautiful kits. Part 2 will be next Monday, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.